Good morning, student. Last class discussed about the different kind of what cells present in the sponges. The cellular level, what kind of cells are present in the sponges discussed last class. Now today discussing about the important for examination point of view, that is the canal system in sponges. What is the main topic? Canal system in sponges. It's a very important system for the examination point of view. It is also very peculiar system present in the sponges. So that system is called as canal system in sponges. So canal system in sponges is classified to three main categories. One is the Osborn type of canal system, Sycon type of canal system, Leucon type of canal. Total three different kind of canal systems are present. So on which basis we are classified? I mean on the basis of complexity. It's very simple. When we are compared to this one, it is slow complex. It is more complex. It means the complexity is increased from Osborn to Leucon type of water canal system. So now the first system is the Osborn type of canal system. So in this system already you know, this is the animal body. In this animal body, this is seawater. The seawater is directly enter into the spongiocele through the ostia. It means seawater. So ostia is communicating the spongiocele. The spongiocele will recommunicate the osculum. Through the osculum, the water is enter into the surrounding media. It means some see to see how what is existing and entering also explained here. Seawater is directly entered into the ostia to spongiocele to osculum to and re-entered exist through the osculum to environment. So like that, water can, it is very simple from here. So seawater, ostia, spongiocele, osculum, seawater. So like that simple canal system is present in the Osborn type of. There is very complexity, but here Sycon type of canal system is very when we are compared to the Osborn, it is very complex. How the complexity already takes place last class discussed. So I am also sent the photos. Just you observe in the photos what kind of system is diagramical representation is there, you observe. So now Osborn type of canal system. So now here seawater is entered into the ostia. Ostia is also what happened? Enter into the incarnate canal. Incarnate canal communicating the prosophile is recommunicating the radial canal. So radial canal is also recommunicating the apophile is recommunicating the external canal. External canal is communicating the spongiocele. Spongiocele is also through the osculum. It is what is enter exist through the osculum. So like that, seawater is also entering into the ostia, existing through the osculum through this like this fashion. Ostia to incarnate canal prosophile, to radial canal, to apophile, to external canal, to spongiocele, to osculum, to seawater. Like that circling system, what is also entrance and exist takes place. Circulation is takes place from outside to inside, inside to outside takes place. Such kind of system already discussed, deep discussed takes place in the before 2 days back class. So it means Sycon canal system. So once again you observe there only. So it is the second complexity. Third one is also very dangerous system. It is very more complex when we are compared to the other classes, other system. So Leucon type of canal system is very complexity. So here whatever it is on the base of complexity. So Leucon type canal system further classified into three main categories on the base of complexity. Simple complex, medium complex, more complex. On the base of complex already Leucon type of more complex. It is more complex, further classified three main categories. So Leucon type canal system, what is circulating like this fashion? Seawater is also entering the ostia. Ostia is recommunicating incarnate canal. Incarnate canals also what happened? Enter the prosophile. So prosophile also flagellated here. Radial canals are not there. The radial canals are also what happened here? Flagellated chambers are formed. The radial canals are chambers are formed. This is flagellated chamber. It recommunicates the apophile. Apophile is communicated external canal. External canal is communicated spongiocele. Spongiocele through the osculum. What is exist outside of the animal body. So here it is similar this to one. Here what happened here? Prosophile is communicating the radial canal. Here what happened? Prosophile is communicating the flagellated chamber. The canals are not there. The flagellated chambers are there. So like that what a clamping is formed. So like that Leucon type of canal system is water circulation is takes place like this fashion. On the base of complexity we are also what happened here? Euryphilus type of apoda, diploid type of, on the base of complexity Leucon type of canal system further classified into three main categories. They are of number one Euryphilus Uriphyllus type of contact, apodal, diploidal. So now observe the uriphyllus. Uriphyllus type of is very simple. Like what I have written here, it is completely uriphyllus type of water canal system. Sea water, osteo, intrarenal, prosoporal, flagellated chamber, epophyte, extrarenal, spongiocele, osculum to ostia. So now apodal. Apodal means what happened here. So here now listen here. The flagellated chambers are now apodal. The flagellated chambers are communicating to the apophyte through a tube. So now listen here. Flagellated chambers are communicating to the apophyte through a tube. So that complexity takes place through the apodal. So last one diploidal. So here in the diploidal, the complex how increase means here radial canals are absent, wherein uriphyllus water canal system. So in the apodal, what happened? In the apodal, so these flagellated chambers are communicating to the external canal through a tube. So now here last one diploidal. Two tubes are formed. Now listen here. Sea water, ostia, incarnate canal, prosophyte. Flagellated chambers are communicating to the apodal through a tube. This apodus is also recommunicate to the external canal through a further tube. It is not a communication is takes place through very more complex. The external canals are communicated to the spongiocele. Spongiocele is communicated to the osculum. Through the osculum, water exists outside of the animal body. So like that complexity slowly what happened increasing from as contact up to live contact. It is very simple. You know already water canal system also very important system in the sponges. So on the basis of complexity, on the basis of circulation, how the circulating through takes place through the animal body. So that on the basis of complexity, water canal system is classified in three main categories: oscan, cycon, leucon. Oscan is very simple type of water canal system. Sea water, spongiocele, osculum exists and entrances takes place. So cycon type of this compared to the oscan, this complexities takes place. Sea water, ostia, internal canal, prosophyte, radial canal, apophyte, external canal, spongiocele, osculum outside. So when we are compared to the leucon type, more complexities takes place. On the basis of complexity, further we are classified three main category: uriphyllus, apodal, diploidal. So it is also similar to this one, but here the radial canals are absent here. Instead of radial canals, the radial canals are made by generally flagellated cells only. Here what the flagellated chambers are found. The flagellated chambers re-communicate with the external through a tube. External re-communicate with spongiocele through a tube. First modification takes place uriphyllus, apodal here and here two times modifications of takes place. Apodal, diploidal here and here two times modifications of takes place. Diploidal, like the complexity is increased, but entrance exists also through same fashion. Entering, existing takes place. When entering and existing takes place, when water circulation is going at the time, whatever complexity is increased. So through this complexity, what happened? So through the water canal system, excretory, circulatory, reproductive systems are interconnect each other. So that's why water canal system is also very important, especially in sponges. Right.